Hello friends, welcome. Today our recipe is stuffed mushrooms in air fryer. An appetizer recipe that can be served as snack or a side dish. So let's move on to the recipe. First we will prepare the veg masala for the stuffing. To a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add chopped garlics. Sweat for 2 minutes. Add finely chopped onions. Saute until translucent. Add finely chopped bell pepper. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add finely chopped tomato. Saute for 5 minutes, then add in the spices. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, add butter if required. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. A quarter teaspoon of thyme. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Three tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. And finally salt as required. The masala is ready for stuffing. I've taken 250 grams of button mushrooms. Before stuffing, separate the stems. Mount the filling by gently pressing. Repeat for the remaining mushrooms. Grease the basket with oil or butter. Arrange the mushrooms inside the basket. Leave enough space between the mushrooms so that they can cook evenly. Add more cheese. Once done, set the fryer at 180 degrees Celsius and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out the mushrooms from the basket. Continue the same for the remaining mushrooms. Once done, garnish with coriander leaves. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.